Good evening, this is Cone TV bringing you breaking news. A high-speed police chase is currently underway in Lagos following the theft of a yellow BMW M3 around the 1004 estate along Ozumba Mbadiwe Victoria Island. The chase began after reports of the luxury vehicle being stolen in broad daylight. Eyewitnesses claim to have seen the suspect fleeing the scene at high speed. I couldn't believe it. The thief just jumped into the car and took off like a rocket. The police were right behind him, but he was driving like a maniac. The stolen BMW M3 is said to have distinctive yellow paint, making it easily identifiable. Authorities are urging anyone who spots the vehicle to report it immediately and avoid approaching the suspect. We are working diligently to apprehend the suspect and recover the stolen vehicle. The safety of the public is our top priority, and we urge everyone to exercise caution and cooperate with law enforcement. Aerial footage shows multiple police vehicles in pursuit of the stolen BMW M3 as it weaves through traffic and navigates the busy streets of Lagos. Residents in the area are advised to remain indoors and avoid unnecessary travel as the police chase continues. We will provide updates on this developing story as more information becomes available. Stay tuned to Cone TV for the latest updates on this developing story. Stay safe.